bag talk, all about that bag talk. Money on your corner, get your pocket, then they spaz off. Play and switch them up and move that work and take the mask off. Running up the charts and keep it clean and push the dash off. Bag talk, all about that bag talk. Money on your corner, hit that block and then they spaz off. Play and switch them up, then move the work and take the mask off. Running up the charts and keep it clean and push the dash off. This politics been running this shit since college kids. Know I got the mileage and they talk that shit, but walk that shit. Say they out here in the market, I bleed that shit like carbon kills. This that soul that they been missing, I'm the heartbeat and the thrill. They know I got that golden eye, and I pass it through the hills. Now my little niggas rise and they just feel like they can live. Take the choppers out and ride it straight or die until the end. Make 100 live accounts and fill them up until they spill. Keep the leverage on 1,000 adjusted just from hitting bills. If they max at 500, they run the clip until it's clear. Until Trey Gang's the only fucking name that they hear. Until Trey Gang's the only fucking name that they fear. Use the music like they use the music, not when it appears. This another year of fuckery, so back that hidden licks. Keep the money moving solid, keep the op shit in bricks. We the trade niggas and I say everything off that list. Bag talk, all about that bag talk. Money on your corner, hit your block and then they spaz off. Play and switch them up and move that work and take the mask off. Running up the charts and keep it clean and push the dash off. Bag talk, all about that bag talk. Money on your corner, hit that block and then they spaz off. Play and switch them up, then move the work and take the mask off. Running up the charts and keep it clean and push the dash off. Presidente code like the bench. Hit the foreign exchange like a drug game. 100 pips off gold, 5 and some change. Consolidated so you know I'm gon' eat off the range. Easy money off the rip, this a flip. Trade with the trend and get rich. Big bank bros, little bitch. Not the Rothschilds, we the new family in here. It's trade or die, that's the model, life for the rich. Bitcoin growing fast, every business except. And it's the wild, wild west, better get with the steps. Most notorious are known for breaking the banks. Hit a glitch in it, cat that we own the estates. Know the code to the game and I know what to say. You know the girls that like to fuck on the first date. You not a hoe, you just know what you want, babe. Bag talk, all about that bag talk. Money on your corner, hit your block and then they spaz off. Play and switch them up and move that work and take the mask off. Running up the charts and keep it clean and push the dash off. Bag talk, all about that bag talk. Money on your corner, hit that block and then they spaz off. Play and switch them up, then move the work and take the mask off. Running up the charts and keep it clean and push the dash off.